Back with another video, and this one is for the Nest doorbell with camera and has audio video. That's just some writing from the place I bought it. It's their accounting purposes or whatever. So here's a box. Let's open it up and let's see what's inside. Supposedly it's going to have everything you need, and let's go ahead and open it up. Here it is inside. Pull it out. It's kind of heavy, you know, heavier than you would think it would be. And so there's the connections on the back there. Let's open up, and I think we've got the rest of the stuff in here. Obviously, instruction manual, something you're going to need for your doorbell chime, and then the bracket to set it up, and other items. All right, so surprisingly, there are no instructions in the box. You have to go to watch their YouTube channel, and it'll basically tell you this is the first step. Take this cover off your chime, find the wiring, and they're going to put the white one on the one that says front, and the gray one on the one that says trans. That's the next. All right, so how we did that was I unplugged that one, or undid it from there, stuck it in the white wire one here, and then we hooked the white one on there. So we're gonna do the same with the gray. We're gonna hook the gray one on there and plug this one into the gray here, and then we'll go ahead and use this, take a little tape on the other side and stick it over here, hide it, and put the cover back on, and we'll be ready to put in the doorbell. So in our front door, I went ahead and took this off. You can see a little bit of remnants have been sitting there for several years, but anyway, it kind of points straight out, and it's really not conducive to that, so I'm gonna have to put the little angle on it. So they include an angle. So for example, you've got this plate, but then this will angle it towards, kind of towards the person who's coming to the doorbell. So I'm gonna go ahead and install that now, and then we can connect these wires to any one of the wires on the back of the doorbell itself. Just before I put this on, I want to show you that I put that little bracket on the back there so it'll angle towards the person who's coming to the door, and the Nest thing needs to be on the bottom. The wire should be poking out bottom part. So I've gone ahead and put it in, and as you can see, it's kind of angled back. I don't know if you can really tell, but there's that little angled part on the back there, and yeah, we're going to go and connect these two wires and plug it in and turn the power back on. All right, so basically how to do all this is on the Nest app, and it'll walk you through the entire thing on how to do everything. And so just follow that, and it'll show you how to set it up, how to do the first, you know, you chime it, and if the doorbell rings, and it'll record, and then you can subscribe to Nest if you want that to keep it in the cloud so you can view it later. But yeah, the Nest app basically walks you through the entire installation. So I put a little wedge on because, you know, as we approach our door here, I want it to kind of face this way rather than straight out. So it's facing towards the person arriving up from the stairs there. And so, yeah, it works just fine. I hooked it up just like they told me to. I'm gonna go ahead and open the door, see if you can hear it. There you go. I'm gonna tell you someone's at the front door on your app. So you can set this up to give auto responses through the app. It'll say just you can leave it there, or no one can come to the door, you know, or we'll be right there, or something like that. They have three kind of automated ones you can use through the app. You can also hook it up to your Google Home, and so I'm going to go ahead and do that so that the Google Home will tell me someone's at the front door when the doorbell rings. You get a push notification if that's the way you have it set up on your phone through the Nest app, but I want to go ahead and have the voice from Google tell me that someone's at the front door. All right, just to finish up this video, I've got my Google Home. I just brought it into this room close to the doorbell so you can see how it works. So here's our Ring device. It's nighttime now, and once I ring it, you're going to hear the Google Home hub tell me that someone's at the doorbell, and it's going to show me the video. So here we go.
Someone's at the front door.
So there you have it. It's just saying someone's at the front door, and then you can just ignore it or talk to them from that screen. But you can also tell Google, hey Google, show me the doorbell.
You got it. Streaming the front door.
So there you have it. I'll show you that too. All right, so if you have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to answer them. And as always, please subscribe. Thanks.